what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this solar power bank and just going over the capacity of this thing. Like I mentioned, it's 42,800 milliamp battery, which is a massive battery, everybody. 3.7 volts, that's 158 watt hours. The lightning cable, this has a lightning cable output, is a 5 volt 2 amp, and the USB micro USB is 5 volt 3 amp. The USB A is 5 volt 2.1 amp. USB C 5 volt 3 amp max. Wireless output, this is a wireless charging, 5 volt wireless charging, and this is the box. Mine came in right here. I've already had this thing out and kind of looked over it there. I put it out in the sun and let it charge to verify all that works. It does have a solar panel right here on the front, and I think the solar panel is like a 5-watt solar panel. Obviously, it's a small solar panel. You can see it's like the size of my cell phone there, so you're not going to get a massive out of there. But what these panels do, it just keeps enough life in your battery to always have a charge. Very handy on that. And then here's the wireless charging pad right there. You've got the USB mini cable right here, USB-C cable right there, and a USB lightning cable built in. And on the side, you have this USB. I don't really know what I would use this for, but if you needed something to plug a USB into and give you power, well, you got it. They at least give it to you to use right there. I'm going to put all these to the test. But then there's a couple little other hidden features on this thing, actually. Well, you can see the battery indicator light. You got 1 through 4 there. So see this button right here? So what you're going to do with this button, double tap it and then check that out. Don't stick that in your eye. This is a laser pointer. This has a laser pointer on it. Check that out. You guys see that? So if you have a laser pointer, if you're talking about something or you just need to point at something, this thing is great. Very powerful laser pointer. Double tap it, it goes off. Now hold it down. Look at that. You got dual LED little lights on there. Hold it down, you get a flashing SOS. You got 3 different modes on that. Very handy on that. So you basically have a flashlight built in there. And then another cool feature, they have a thermometer on here. I've always liked to have a thermometer. It looks like it's around about 68 degrees in here. So they give you a little D-ring where you can hang this thing up. Very handy on that. Then there's a USB-C to USB-C cable. But you know what? I have my own cables here, and I'm going to put this thing to the test. So first off, let's go ahead and let's test the lightning port. I have my good old iPhone here. Let's test that out. Well, that started charging right away. That's all I can show you, everybody. It does work. That works fine. Does the wireless charging work? Now, I have this case on there, so I don't know if I can get it through this case. Let me take this case off and let's test that wireless charging. Oh, wow, it does. So with the case off, it's charging. The wireless charging works. Very nice on that. So you've got a wireless charger there. It has to be lined straight up. Let's see if I can just line it up. Yeah. Just set it on your phone and it starts charging. So that's pretty cool that you could just throw your phone on there and it'll start charging right away. Let's test the USB-C. So I have a little set of batteries here. Let's run the USB-C. Yep, as soon as I plug it in, it starts charging right away. We've got a USB micro. These are some older headphones and they have a USB micro on it. Does it start charging? Yep. It is very small, but I can tell you guys, there is a little tiny light right there. This is charging. So it's charging my wireless headphones. I can't test that thing right there, but one thing I can test, let's test these things. So you have an input here, an out and input right here, and a USB-A coming out. So let's go to the output, and then let's test these batteries again. Well, once again, we have power on that. That works fine. Let's test the USB-A. And by the way, you can actually charge everything at once. So let's charge that. Let's charge this. And then let's charge USB mini. Check this out. So if you've got, look at all of this stuff I've got charging here, and this is pulling it right now. That's charging it with no problem. Still got charge coming in there, got charge in there, and we are charging right there. So this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a portable power bank that pretty much is affordable and can kind of do it all. And you've got, if you want, just toss it in a, kind of like in an area where it's going to get sunlight, and you'll always have kind of like a trickle charge on here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Sudrov 42,800 milliamp power bank. See y'all in the next video.